Hello, this is Celestine Rahul from JCR Photography. Today I'm going to show a quick tip of how to change the color of a t-shirt using hue saturation adjustment and so on. Let's get started. Yes, we are in the magical world of Photoshop. If you want to follow this tutorial, check the link in the description and download the image right now. And first we want to move to the hue or saturation and click on the hand tool, pick the color of the t-shirt. Just adjust this underlying layer to cover all the areas of the t-shirt and just move the hue slider. You can see the drastic color change of the t-shirt. Is that simple? If you want to increase the saturation, just increase it or decrease it. If you want to brighten or darken the stuff, just play with this lightness slider. And that's all guys, that's all about this today's video. Hope you enjoy it. Like it, share it and subscribe with your friends and click on the bell icon for the future notifications. And as always, stay creative.